check the very first link in the description below and join Filmora's Discord server, and that is going to allow you to get Filmora news first hand. Now, if you guys are not very sure of where and how this can be applied, basically this is something like a graphical representation of a certain chapter within your video. Alright, so as you can see how big YouTubers use it to represent the adverts in between their videos. But right here in Filmora Mobile, you just cannot see it right here on this first set right here. You actually have to scroll to the right side, and then right here you are going to see the progress bar, and by default right here it gives you two descriptions box, which are two bars, so that you can actually make two chapters of maybe whatsoever that you are doing. In this example right here, this guy is cooking, so I'm gonna write on the first box how to cook part 1. all right, and then after that I go again to the second description box and write the same thing, how to cook part 2. all right, and as you can see right here, you can use the style option here to make some changes according to your likes. all right, and after that you can just stick right here. Moving on, my dear friend, this is a very useful feature, but also very hidden. So this is the chroma key. Now chroma key is very popular, so I'm just going to assume that you know it and not to explain it further. But the difficult part, which is my very mission of creating this video, is how do you find it? all right, now let's say I want to remove the green screen of this video that you are seeing right here. Then I actually and certainly going to use the chroma key. So for that, my dear friend, you must select this video right here, and when you scroll to these features, you are not going to find anything called chroma key. But what you're going to do right here is to select this option right here, which is called the smart cutout. And when you open it right here, this is where you see some more options unfolding. all right, and here is the chroma key. Now as you can see right here, when I select it, and right here on the screen I can actually pick the color that I want to do the keying. all right, as you can see right here, the green is being removed. Okay, and maybe it's just by the quality of the image, but it could have removed even this green edge line here. all right,